Okay, now this boat I like. This boat is old. This is a wooden boat. That platform right there, that platform is round kinda. But if you look right there, that platform slides in and it's got cables that pull it up. They was parked over yonder at Taurus's. Sailboat. That's an old sailboat. Wood. And you can see the wood right here. I think right there you see water in that canoe. Put water in the canoe, that way the wind won't pick it up, move it around. This thing right here is moving. It's gonna knock me off in the ground. It moves by itself. Private vessel, no boarding ship is for sale, or contact us at the Yellow Deli on Egmont Street. Now Egmont, where what the guide is a deli there, and it's a pretty good deli. They got some good food. I've eaten there, but where the Yellow Deli is, used to be a grocery store, and back in the 50s, early 60s, my kin people used to have a store there back in the 50s and the 60s, early 60s. I can tell you something now. It is a good looking boat, but I got a feeling, that the wood borers, termites, wood borers, saltwater wood borers, has eat up the wood from the inside. Ooh, that thing is tall. I hate to get up there in that nest. A beautiful boat, I bet, when it was built. I can see barnacles on the bottom down there. See, that's what's wrong with it right there. Nobody has been underneath it to scrape the barnacles off. And I don't know how long. You can see right there at the water line. You can see the barnacles right under the water. Peacemaker. That is called the Peacemaker. I can imagine all those sails are probably rotten. It's a beautiful boat though, isn't it? It's a very nice looking boat. Ship, vessel, Some people say, don't call that thing a boat, it's a vessel. It's a boat where the anchor goes. The anchor is missing. Yeah. Okay, I'm fixing to stop this video now. Stop.